Little discoveries. What do you want to discover?
I would make a tiny Brussels sprout, not a ginormous one, that tastes like a whole roast dinner.
I would invent a cure for all illnesses.
I could invent any food or dish. It would be a spaghetti bolognese flavoured lollipop.
But today we're going to find out how to make a memory wall.
Hi guys, welcome to Little Discoveries. I'm Zoe Pocock and I'm a designer and upcycler, which means I love finding old knickknacks or furniture, fixing them up and transforming them into personalised designs. I love the way crafting makes you feel. It's relaxing, you're in the moment, and it's brilliant when you've made something yourself. Even more so when it's something you may have laying around the house. I think we're going to have a lot of fun.
For this, you'll need some sticks, ribbon or some string, pegs or paper clips, and sticky tape.
First up, take one of your sticks. Now, I got 4 around the same size. These I'm going to cover in some old ribbon.
You can use ribbon, fabric, string or wool.
And I'm going to just wrap around some of the ribbon. And you're going to completely cover it all. Now, can you see that I'm just twisting the stick and letting the ribbon cover it? I'm going to pull that tight and I'm going to get some double-sided sticky tape.
Or you can use normal sticky tape and fold it over.
And I'm going to place it underneath along the stick. Wrap that ribbon around and then I'm going to cut it. And make sure you ask an adult to do any cutting for you. I think I'm going to go for some of this bright green. So I'm going to take another bit of double-sided sticky tape. Now you can use any colours, whatever you like to cover your sticks. Or you can leave them as they are, which is what I'm going to do with this one because it looks so lovely. And let's start with the green. And I'm going to do the same. I'm going to wrap it around the stick. This is going to be one colourful memory wall. I think I'm going to change colour again. I like lots of colour, so I'm going to keep changing it. Right, to finish it off, I'm going to put another bit of double-sided sticky tape and then cover the next stick. Look at that. Now I'm going to do my other 2 sticks. So I'm going to lay them out. This is going to be the bottom one. This is going to be the next one up, then this one, then this one. And that's how it's going to hang. So you're going to take a really long piece of ribbon.
Or if you don't have any ribbon, you can use string or wool.
And attach it to the bottom stick with some double-sided sticky tape. So we're going to lay them out with a similar space in between each. I'm going to go around the next one here. And I'm going to tie it in a knot at this stick edge. And then we go to the next one. And I'm going to tie another knot. And then to the next one. So that's one side, and now we're going to repeat that the other side. And then the 2 that are left over, we're going to tie a knot, and that's what you're going to hang it from. To finish it off, I've got these little mini pegs that I'm going to put on my frame, and then I can put some photographs in.
If you don't have any pegs, you can use string, tape or paper clips to attach your photos or any other bits and bobs you want to use.
So I'm going to put some double-sided tape on the back of it, over here. Let's go and add some of my mementos.
Enjoy your little discoveries. Children and families all over the UK are really struggling right now. So Save the Children and Discovery have teamed up to support them. To find out more or if you'd like to help, please go to this link. Thank you.